Hello, second grade friends, and welcome to Number Corner. For Number Corner today, we will be working with our computational fluency. Remember, someone who has computational fluency is someone who can work quickly and easily with numbers. For today, you will need a whiteboard, marker, and an eraser. You can pause the video now to get what you need. By the end of today, we will be able to say that we can identify, take all, and take half facts. So let's go ahead and have a look at what some of those facts are. I'm going to show you a few equations, and I want you to think about what the answer would be to each one and write it on your whiteboard. You can keep the answers on your whiteboard instead of erasing, because this will go pretty quick. Let's look at our first equation. 14 minus 14 equals what? Let's look at our second one. 19 minus 19 equals what? Let's look at our third. 12 minus 12 equals what? Last one. 17 minus 17 equals what? Let's have a look at our answers. What do you notice? You may have noticed that all of the answers are 0. Why? Now you may have been thinking, well, if you have a number and take the same number away, there's nothing left. Show a connection if that's what you were thinking. Now, let's go ahead and think a little further. We see some smaller numbers where we're taking everything away. 14 minus 14. If we had 14 pieces of candy and we ate all those pieces of candy, we'd be left with 0 pieces of candy. Well, 14 is not a very big number. Would this same idea work with a number like 500 minus 500? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Oh, I should see thumbs up. It sure would. Because you're still taking all. These are our take all facts. When we take away everything, and the answer is always 0. Now let's go ahead and look at some different facts. Good work with your take all facts. You can erase your whiteboards. Now for these facts, I've covered up part of this 10 frame. Now, I want you to be thinking about a subtraction equation that you could write to show the number of dots taken away. Now, first I want to show you this is our whole 10 frame. If I started with 10 dots, and now I'm showing you this many dots, how many did I take away, and how many do I have left? Write an equation to represent this 10 frame. Now, if you wrote the equation, 10 minus 5 equals 5. Good work. We're looking at our take half facts. So we're thinking about how many we've taken away to show half of our original number. Let's practice with another one. Let's look at a different tens frame. I want you to look at this tens frame and think about the half that we've taken away. This is half of a number. How many dots do we have altogether? How many did we take away? And how many do we have left? Can you write an equation to show the number of dots that were taken away? Now, if you wrote 12 minus 6 equals 6, good work, because we know we're only showing half of our tens frame. So underneath, we have 6 more. So we know we started with 12, we've taken half away, and now we have 6 remaining. Erase your boards. Let's try that with 2 more facts. I want you to be thinking about how many we started with, how many we took away under this blue, and how many we have left to show a take half fact. If you wrote 14 minus 7 equals 7, good work, because we're thinking about starting with how many we had all together, how many we've taken away, and how many we have left. Let's look at one more. Can you write an equation to show the number of dots taken away? Remember, there are dots under here. Did you write 16 minus 8 equals 8? If you did, good work. Now let's have a look at all of these facts together. All of these equations are examples of take half facts. Look at these facts. Why do you think they're called that? Now you may have been thinking that they kind of look like doubles, kind of backwards doubles. So we know if we have 10 and we take half, we take 5 away, we have 5 left. We can also kind of flip that around and know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. These are related to our doubles. 12 minus 6 equals 6. But if you add 6 and 6 together, you get 12. Same with 7 plus 7 equals 14. So 14, take half. We have 7 left. Same with 16. If we have 16 and we take half, we have 8 left. These are a lot like our doubles facts, kind of backwards. Take half facts always involve even numbers. Why? You may have been thinking that you can only take an even number and split it in half so each side has a partner. If you split an odd number in half, well, it wouldn't really be in half. If you had 11 and you split it in half, would you have 5 on each side? No, one number would have to be 6. And that's not an even number. So let's go ahead and think about something else. Is it possible to take half away from this card? No, this shows that 11 we just talked about. If we took half away, well, we'd have to cut a dot in half, and we can't really do that. So it doesn't really work. Let's look at something else. Now I'm going to show each of the cards at one time. All of our tens frames, our doubles 10 frames. And I want you to tell me if it's a take half fact by holding a thumb up for yes or a thumb down for no. Just our take half facts. Now let's look at each one. Thumbs up for yes, it's a take half fact. Thumbs down for no, it isn't. Let's look at the first one. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Take half. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Oh, I should see thumbs up because we see the same number of dots on the top and the bottom. Next one. Is this a take half fact? Thumbs down. We do not have the same number of dots. Next one. Yes or no? Oh, I should see thumbs up. This is a take half. How about this one? Thumbs down. Let's keep going. Up or down? Thumbs up. This is a take half. Thumbs down. This is not a take half. We have just one square left. Not the same on top and bottom. Take half. Thumbs up or down? Thumbs up. This is a take half. Thumbs up or down? Oh, thumbs down. This is not a take half. Thumbs up or down? Thumbs up. This is a take half. Thumbs up or down? Thumbs down. Not a take half. Last one. Thumbs up or down? You see a big thumbs up. They're all the same on top and bottom. Think about what you're noticing about these two columns we have of our facts. Now, you may have noticed that the top and bottom on every row in the left column are yes, take half facts. They have the same number of dots on the top row as the bottom row. Same here and here, same here and here, for all of them. For our take half fact, or our not take half facts, what do you notice? Now, you may have been thinking, wow, these kind of look like our double plus or minus one facts. They sure do. You may also have noticed that they do not have the same amount of dots on the top and the bottom. Now, you may have noticed the same things as me. You may have noticed something different. Your job is to write one thing you notice in Seesaw and turn it in to show your teacher the hard work and hard thinking you've done today. Good work. See you next time for Number Corner.